What is art?
What is art? That's what you want it to be, I guess. You know, it's an expression of your experiences or your. I'm not sure you can really define it. You know, it's a creative process. When I've given demonstrations or a couple of workshops I've taught, I've always asked the question, you know, what are the rules in art? And the answer is there are no rules. And if you don't understand that, I can break it down into two things. If it works, it's right. If it doesn't work, it's wrong. Art is not something that's essential to anybody. You know, it is at a subliminal level, but most people don't realize that. You know, true art is an individual expression, and it's independent of anyone else's opinion.